In response to the NWAPrepper's challenge, I'm going to go over my ankle medical kit today. As you can see here, I'm wearing it on my left ankle. It's a ankle medical kit made by Dark Angel Medical. If you guys ever carried a weapon on your ankle or anything like that, you know that it can really wear on you, especially if it's heavy. The good thing about these is it's super lightweight. It has some bulk to it for sure, especially on the tourniquet side and the bandage side, but it weighs almost nothing. You don't even really, you forget you have it on after a few minutes. So it's really pretty handy. It's basically just 2 layers of elastic with Velcro on each end, and that's really all there is to it. There's other units out there that are a little more heavier duty and maybe a little more rugged, but that's just more weight and more bulk. So this is very simple, very minimalistic, but I wear it all day, almost every single day, and it's super comfortable. Another thing I always tell people too is you don't necessarily have to carry it all the time. You could just fold it in half and slide it in the door panel of your car, and then it's sitting there if you need it, or if you need to, you can pull it out and strap it on your leg, or kind of have it as an option, but at least you have it available. Or even just put it into a glove box. It really doesn't take up very much space at all, and you still have that option to strap it on if you want to take it with you, or if you at least have it available in your vehicle. The company that makes this is Dark Angel Medical. There's multiple ones out there. I'm not saying this is the only one by far. There's lots of different options. I do like theirs, however, because of its simplicity. It's just simply 2 layers of elastic with the Velcro at each end and then some tabs to keep the stuff from falling out. Very basic, very simple, very lightweight. You get a couple different color options with it, and it can hold different kinds of medical equipment. Mine basically has a tourniquet, a bandage, 2 chest seals, and some gloves. That's really all mine has into, just very basic. Also, I carry, this is a cat tourniquet in this picture right here. On mine, I carry a SOFTT-W tourniquet. The reason I do that is 2 reasons. One, I'm a pretty full-size red-blooded American. I weigh about 280, 300 pounds. So for me to have a major injury, especially to my lower extremity, and have to tourniquet my thigh, a femoral artery, it's going to take a lot of pressure. And I'm not saying the cat tourniquet is not capable of it. It certainly is. But I think the SOFTT-W is a little bit more sturdy and rugged, especially since it's not based on Velcro. And it also has the quick disconnect right here so that it can work around your thigh a little bit easier if you're in awkward positions or working on other people. The one downside of this, I forgot the other positive, when you flat pack this, you can pull this windlass over to the side and actually flat pack these probably about a third shorter, tighter based on the design than you can a cat tourniquet, because the cat tourniquet has that C-shaped piece of plastic that sets up kind of high. So it flat packs a little flatter, a little bit more compact, and it also has that quick detach right here where you can unclip it, wrap it around a limb, and then clip it back in. The negative is going to be when you actually tighten it, doesn't tighten very well one-handed. Especially if you're doing one of your own arms, you're going to have to use another hand or your chin to pin this side and pull against it. So that is kind of a negative. But for me, I've got both. Most of mine are cat tourniquets, but I do have this one primarily because it folds a little bit flatter and is much more compact since I'm carrying this on my ankle, every single day.